Caillou's hiccups.
Caillou and his family were enjoying a big spaghetti dinner.
This is great. Spaghetti is my favorite.
Thank you, Caillou. Please, just try not to slurp it when you eat.
Caillou loved spaghetti, but it was very hard to eat it without making a slurping noise.
Oops, excuse me.
It's okay, Caillou. I know you were trying your best.
Just like Rosie. She's trying her best not to get her napkin covered with spaghetti sauce.
Napkin clean.
That's good, Rosie, but you're supposed to use your napkin, especially when sauce is all over your face.
Everybody laughed along with Rosie, but while Caillou was laughing, he made a noise.
Come on, Rosie, let's get you cleaned up.
And you can help me with the dishes, Caillou.
Okay, I'll help.
Caillou was extra careful not to drop anything, but it was hard because of the noises he made.
Whoa! Sounds like someone's got the hiccups.
The hiccups? How do I stop them?
Just wait. They usually go away on their own.
Oh, okay. I can wait. Hey, I waited, but they didn't go away.
You have to wait longer than that, Pumpkin. Why not play in the living room while you wait?
Okay, Mommy.
Caillou decided to build a tower while he waited, but
Aw, are these hiccups ever going to go away?
How's it going out here?
These hiccups are messing up everything. I need them to go away.
Just try not to think about them, Caillou. If you wait, the hiccups will go away on their own.
But I've been waiting.
Well, I have heard that sometimes hiccups can be cured by giving someone a little scare.
A scare? I don't like scares.
Just a little scare, Caillou. It makes the person gasp, and then the hiccups go away. Do you want to give it a try?
If it'll make my hiccups go away, then okay.
Okay, get ready, and... boom!
Hey, it worked! It didn't work. Maybe it wasn't scary enough.
Well, we can take care of that, right, Rosie? Boo!
boo! Caillou wasn't scared at all. Mommy and Rosie were much too funny.
Oh, it's not working.
Good thing I'm here then. I've got a few sure-to-work hiccup cures up my sleeve.
Really?
Sure. I'm the world's #1 all-time hiccup cure champion. Come on, I'll show you. Now, some people cure hiccups by drinking water really fast from a hose. But it's not as easy as it looks. It can get a little messy.
I don't care. I want to try.
Caillou found out that drinking from a hose was very messy, and so did Daddy.
Hey!
Whoops. Sorry, Daddy.
That's okay, Caillou. On a hot day like this, some cool water is good for me. And the grass.
But it didn't work. I still have the hiccups.
Don't worry, Caillou. I've got another cure up my sleeve. The upside-down solution always works.
Rosie turn, Rosie turn. Only if you have hiccups, Rosie. This is so my hiccups will go away.
Don't worry, there's one more cure we can try. I've saved the best for last. This one's almost sure to get rid of your hiccups.
What is it?
I'll show you. You hop on your left foot and rub your head with your right hand.
Caillou thought Daddy looked silly, And so did Mommy and Rosie.
Oh my! Doesn't Daddy look?
Funny! He does!
But Caillou really wanted to get rid of his hiccups, so he started hopping too.
That's the spirit, Caillou. Hop those hiccups away. That's right, Rosie. You can hop too. Oh.
Are you okay?
I'm fine. I guess I need to practice my hopping more often.
I'm still hiccuping. What if I have them forever? And ever and ever?
Well, I hate to say this, but maybe I'll just have to stop making spaghetti for dinner, since spaghetti seems to give you the hiccups.
But Mommy, spaghetti's my favorite, and Rosie's favorite, and Daddy's favorite. It wasn't the spaghetti that gave me the hiccups. I know it wasn't. And besides, I think they might be gone. Listen.
Caillou was right. His hiccups had gone away.
Perhaps I scared them away by saying I wouldn't make spaghetti anymore.
Nah, I think they went away on their own. Just like you said they would. But are you really going to stop making spaghetti?
Of course not, Caillou. I was just teasing.
Phew. That's a relief. I love spaghetti.
Rosie too! Pasquetti!
Not right now, Rosie. We just had spaghetti.
But soon, Rosie, we promise. Uh-oh. Now I've got hiccups.
Caillou had realized hiccups go away on their own, with a little patience.